how to organize pictures on your computer or your phone. When there are over 11,000 pictures on your computer, where do you start? I'm not counting the pictures I have on an external hard drive. Start by creating some general folders within your photo library as a quick dumping space. I started by creating folders for each family member. Follow the same steps for organizing photos on your phone. Create a folder and dump them into those folders. These folders are where I put all our selfies and individual photos of family members. I also created a photo for the dog because I take a lot of pictures of him. And I created an album that will hold pictures of both kids together. Step 2, start moving those pictures. Start at the very beginning of your photo library. And start adding pictures of your family into the different family albums. If you're using iPhoto, just drag the picture into the designated album. You can also click Command and select multiple photos to drag and drop into an album. Step 3, add folders as you go. As you start going through photos, you might find that you have holidays, events, or other gatherings that will have many people together. Add folders as you go with the different topics together. Step 4, delete. As you start to go through pictures, you might find some really bad ones. Delete those pictures if they aren't cute or funny. Step 5, keeping it up. This entire process might take time, like a few weeks or even months. To keep up with this, any new photos I upload, I just drop into the different folders. So I don't have to keep spending large amounts of time organizing my photos. There are a few programs you can use to keep your photos organized, but I have found that organizing pictures on the computer is the best option for me. And I found deleting photos is much easier on my phone. So I challenge you to start organizing your pictures on your computer and phone. Follow the steps above to get started. Love what you see? Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every week.